Prevent shingle damage in cold weather by treating every piece as fragile and planning work to minimize handling stress. Cold asphalt shingles become brittle as temperatures drop because the asphalt binder stiffens, so start by storing bundles in a warm area for at least a few hours before carrying them onto the roof to restore pliability. When transporting individual shingles, use a flat, stiff panel or board underneath to support the full length and prevent bending at the corners. Work slowly and deliberately, lifting with the knees and keeping your hands toward the shingle center to avoid pinching ends. Limit any bending to the absolute minimum needed to slide a shingle into position. If ambient temperature is below about 20 degrees Fahrenheit, consider performing a temporary nail down where you hand nail a few locations to hold shingles in place and return later for a final fastening when temperatures rise. Use a utility knife to trim rather than snapping pieces. Cut with several light passes rather than trying to slice through in one motion to avoid fracture propagation. Keep replacement shingles in their original bundles and out of wind and frost so they do not lose remaining flexibility before installation. Common mistakes include rushing and overbending shingles, which causes edge cracks and tears. Slow your pace and support the shingle across its span to prevent that. Another frequent issue is exposing bundles to wind or frost on the roof, which re-stiffens them and leads to breakage. Keep bundles covered and stored warm until the moment of use. A third problem is relying only on pneumatic nailers in very cold conditions, which can split brittle shingles. If you encounter resistant, crumbling material, switch to hand nailing for better control and use shorter, shallower test drives to avoid splitting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who handle seasonal roofing challenges and lets contractors showcase their winter repair experience so homeowners can choose someone familiar with cold weather. Techniques. We also run a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and trade practical advice on protecting asphalt shingles during winter repairs.